Hey, this is Luke with Pinnacle Fitness, and if you're over the age of 50 and you suffer from low back pain, this is the workshop for you. I've been running this workshop for over 5 years, and we've helped hundreds of people alleviate their back pain, and in some cases, eliminate their back pain. So how do we do it? Well, unfortunately, I was a college discus, shot put, and hammer thrower, and I competed until I was 32 years old at the Olympic level. And it left me riddled with bulging discs and cracked vertebra and constant back pain. I was convinced that I needed a different solution that didn't involve prescription meds, didn't involve surgeries. So I really had to go back to work in terms of how I could fix my body. And little did I know that that same system that I created would be the system that I use in the gym for all of our clients. I used to have back pain episodes every 4 months. I haven't had one now for 13 years. So it takes work and it takes consistency, but if you put the time in, you can feel like a whole new person. So if you want to learn the same techniques that helped heal my back and keep me pain-free for the last 13 years, click the link below to sign up for our free low back health workshop on Saturday, September 27th. And I hope to see you there.